Okay, so what we have here is an XY table off of an old Sonic mill, probably from the late 80s. This has been mine for about 10 years. It works very well. Has 6 inches of travel in X, 6 inches of travel in Y. Has readouts are in inches to the half thou. It's half step precision screw-driven superior stepper motor on don't know whose stages, maybe Sonic Mill's own stages. Um, the controls are index, which is move a pre-programmed number of steps. There's a reset here. If I hit index, you can see it just moved half an inch. It's 1,000 half steps. If I say 2,000 half steps and I hit reverse direction and index, it goes back the other way an inch, another inch, and then I'm going to reverse direction again, slew up, reset, and I'll hit index again. It's still set to 2,000 steps, and you can see this thing go move 1 inch. If it'll do simultaneous motion. If I hit index, index, you can see both. Index, index. You can see both axes are moving. Let me set it to a little longer throw. So it does. It's not coordinated motion, but it will do simultaneous motion. A step is a half a thousandth of an inch per step. Same over here. Steps half a thousandth of an inch. Direction change here. It'll slew. It'll slew at different rates. You can turn it way down, and it has handles on the side. This is about a 35-pound controller, about a 30-pound 6-inch travel XY stage. Actually, the bottom stage is 6.4, and the top stage is 6.5. So you got to be able to easily get a good 6 inches square out of that. I use this on a Bridgeport mill as a drilling table, and but it could easily be used on a drill press. The unit is a machine shop item, not a clean room item, but it's clean. It's not a filthy thing. It has 8-foot, well-protected cables in very good shape. There's no fraying or looseness. Everything's been taken very good care of. It has manual knobs to zip, zip, zip if you need to, but of course right now it's under control and it's holding firmly. So, I don't know if it's really a strong enough motors. These little 2-inch diameter stepper motors to actually mill. I guess if you used a very small desktop milling machine, you certainly could do that. I wouldn't use anything over about a 1/4 inch end mill on it. But I've been using it as a drilling table, and so what I do is I have this piece of jig plate up on top, and I'll drill and tap a hole into that. Maybe put a piece of MDF on it. Great for making hole patterns. Again, the controls. Index moves the program number of steps. You program how many steps you want in, and hit index. Slew is what it sounds like. Step is a half a thousandth of an inch. Clear is, I have no idea. Reset is reset. There are no burned out elements in the LEDs. It's just a great little unit. It's really reliable, and I've had a really good time with it. I have better, newer, bigger equipment now, and this has been collecting, a little bit of dust in the shop. I guess not too much. It's been in a heated space, but it hasn't been used in a little while. So the only other thing is I have a rubber sheet, a rubber neoprene sheet that I lay in that pinches around this guy here and protects the motors, which is partly why it's in such good shape. So I'll give you that too. That's still in good shape. Happy bidding.